Today we're checking out the Soundcore Sleep A10s, a pair of sleep buds from Soundcore that do much more than you may think to help you get a better night's sleep, including having the ability to play your own music or podcast, in addition to having a broad range of soothing sounds to choose from and customize in the excellent accompanying app. In this video, I will share with you my experience after using the Sleep A10s for the past 10 nights. As always, I will leave all the purchase links down in the description. But first, I am doing a giveaway on this brand new iPhone 14 in this beautiful blue color. If you guys want a chance to win, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment your favorite feature of the Sleep A10s, along with your Instagram username, and then follow me on Instagram, where I will announce the winner on November the 27th. Alright, so starting off with the unboxing, we get very nice presentation, as I've come to expect from Soundcore. Included inside the box are an array of ear and wingtips to get the right fit. Crucial, especially for sleep buds. We also get the charge case, which comes in this nice matte white finish, above which we will find the truly tiny Sleep A10s to be as seamless as possible in your ear. And then we get the usual paperwork and USB-C to A cable. Let's take a closer look. Coming in at just 3 grams each, these Sleep A10s are the lightest and smallest earbuds that I have ever seen. It's hard to imagine how they fit drivers, a battery, as well as Bluetooth connectivity into buds this small. But this small design is crucial for something that ideally you're meant to wear in your ears for 8 hours every night. The A10s have this matte white finish that looks sleek, along with a small Soundcore logo, and then on the back we see the charge pins to magnetically connect with the charge case. Speaking of the charge case, as you can see, the charge case for the A10s is a little bit smaller compared to a typical charge case for a more typical pair of earbuds, but in this case that is okay, as the charge case for the A10s will just sit and rest on your nightstand. The charge case features this same matte white design and familiar Soundcore sliding top, which is very satisfying to use. And then inside the charge case, we get these very subtle LEDs, which will light up bright enough to show you at night where the earbuds are, but not so bright to wake you up from that half asleep stage. You know what I mean. And then on the back of the case is the USB-C port to charge, which works great. Unfortunately though, no wireless charging. Would have liked to see that. In terms of the battery life, the earbuds run in 2 modes. We get the sleep mode as well as the music mode. In music mode, the buds will give you 6 hours, whereas in sleep mode, they will go up to 10 hours, and the charge case provides an additional 41 hours of battery life. But how do they fit? Well, these Sleep A10s use a combination of ear tips as well as wingtips to get a secure fit in your ear. Now, I highly recommend trying each of the sizes that the buds come with, as finding the perfect combination of ear tips and wingtips really is crucial to comfort as well as sound. This is important for any earbud, but especially sleep earbuds. Then to insert them in your ear, I found it helped to sort of push them gently from the back of the earbud and then rotate down slightly to get a comfortable fit that is also firm in your ear. The Sleep A10s use a 4-point noise masking system that uses passive noise cancelling to block out outside noise. And this works surprisingly well, performing similarly to an average pair of ANC equipped earbuds. You can see that these Sleep A10s sit very flush with my ears compared to a typical pair of wireless earbuds, and this is important if you're a side sleeper like me. Having a pillow up against your ear means because the earbuds sit so flush with your ear, you don't get any kind of bump or any kind of discomfort from the earbuds themselves. Do you feel that they are there? Yes, but there's no pressure from the buds, and I found them to be comfortable for the whole night, even when sleeping on my side, which is something I can't say for any other earbuds that I've tried. In fact, I look forward to the day where all earbuds are as small and portable as the Sleep A10s, as this lightweight and tiny design is key to their success. But these are sleep buds after all, so what do they do to help you sleep? Well, this is where the accompanying Soundcore app comes into play. In the app is a large library of sounds to choose from to help you fall asleep. The app also features curated playlists for different occasions. These sounds are nice to have not just when sleeping, but I also found it to help me focus whilst working throughout the day. For example, whilst I'm working at home, I really enjoyed the birds and rain sounds. It is not distracting, but still soothing to have in the background, allowing me to focus on my work whilst also blocking out much of the outside noise. And then when it came to sleeping, my go-to track was the Rainfall. There's something really cozy and kind of soothing about having this on really softly in the background, creating just some noise to focus on, but again, nothing that's going to distract you and keep you awake. Another neat feature of these Sleep A10s is that they will use your phone's microphone to measure the outside noise and then adjust the volume automatically accordingly. But my favorite feature of the Sleep A10s compared to any other sleep buds from, for example, Bose or Amazfit is that on the Sleep A10s, you can actually also play your music, podcasts, or audiobooks. And this is thanks to the fact that these Sleep A10s have proper dynamic drivers. That way, if you want to fall asleep to your own music, podcast, or perhaps you already have a sleep playlist, well, you can do this on the Sleep A10s. Considering the size, I was impressed by the sound quality. With decent bass and even some sub bass, the highs are clean, the mids could be a little bit more forward, but thankfully the Soundcore app also lets you customize the EQ and choose from sound presets to get the sound you want. One of the benefits of being able to operate both as sleep buds as well as Bluetooth earbuds is, say, for example, before going to bed, you can watch a video or listen to some music on your phone, and then when you do decide to go to sleep, just keep the Sleep A10s in, activate the sleep mode, and go straight to sleep without having to change your buds or put on a different pair. The buds will also detect when you fall asleep and then switch automatically from music mode to sleep mode to conserve battery and ensure a better night's sleep. The app will also track your sleep, showing your different stages of sleep from light to deep sleep. I also found the Sleep A10s to be an excellent alarm clock, allowing you to wake up yourself without your partner next to you. Coming in at $179, these do come at a price, especially for a pair of earbuds that is primarily meant for a very specific task, sleeping. But if you struggle with noise or benefit from having your music or soothing sounds playing while you sleep in a pair of earbuds that is comfortable to wear all night, even if you sleep on your side, then you really can't put a price on a better night's sleep. Anyway guys, let me know if you have any questions at all about the Soundcore Sleep A10s. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you use a pair of sleep buds and is this product for you? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.